Standing seam metal roofing is a type of roofing with interlocking panels running vertically from the roof's ridge to the eave. Seams are set up above the surface of the board, which helps to protect them from water and ice damage. The panels can also expand and contract with temperature changes, which helps prevent cracking. Standing seam is durable and long-lasting for any home or business. Regarding metal roofing in Boise, standing seam is the way to go. It is a type of roofing that is durable, long-lasting, and looks great on any home. While it is the best option if you're looking for a metal roof that will protect your home for years to come, a standing seam metal roof is one of the most popular types of roofs for both commercial and residential buildings. But is it worth the investment? Standing seams are known for their durability and long lifespan. They can last up to 50 years with proper maintenance. They are also fire-resistant and energy efficient, saving you money on your energy bills. However, they can be expensive to install. They also require more maintenance than other roofs, such as shingles. But it may be worth the investment if you're looking for a roof that will last a long time and provide excellent protection for your home or business.